Welcome back, Motorheads. This is what the FRV finds on Facebook Marketplace. First, got 1965 International for $7,000. What in the holy Mary Mother of rolling mud lab hell is this damn thing? $7,000. Y'all better act now. You too could be out there cooking a batch of crystal meth with a side of tetanus. All for the low price of $7,000 damn dollars. Get the hell out of here with that shit, man. $7,000 ain't no damn way. You don't really need to quit sampling your damn product before you start pricing these POSs. How high did you have to be when you come up with that damn number, man? You could have at least pulled some of that crap out of there and ran a broom or something before you tried to get that kind of price. Next, got 1973 Barth for $6,199. Holy hell, we done found Cousin Eddie's dream machine. He's coming to a neighborhood near you with a shitter full. $6,100. You might have a chance of getting $6,100 out of it before you deface the side of it. Come on, man. Was that one of those mail order paint by number schemes he went with on the side? Or is it just some kindergarten with some paintbrushes? I mean, what the hell is going on with that damn wall? $6,100. You need to close that shit in, man. We don't want to see any guy. And the damn little mini refrigerator from Walmart. Yes, that screams $6,100 damn dollars. Get the hell out of here, Riri. You ain't getting no damn $6,100 out of this damn thing. Next, got 1974 Chevrolet for $3,300. The only thing missing from this one here is a sign that says free candy and another big sign that says gas, grass, or ass, because nobody rides for free in this rolling house of ill repute. It looks like the mobile conjugal visit love shack at your local prison some damn where. But for the low price of $3,300, you can pick up an STD too. Next, got 1994 Chevrolet for $4,000. $4,000? Really? He said he started the remodel. Man, you should have just got some gasoline and stuck a damn match. Look here, man, I'm not a damn engineer or nothing, but you know, that front cap's supposed to have a little bit of aerodynamics, not just a big ass brick up there at the top. Come on, dude. $4,000? Did you sit there with a straight face when you posted this asking $4,000? Next, got 1996 Fleetwood Bounder for $2,000. $2,000. Don't even have a damn title. It came from Florida. It's got a big tarp on the top of it to keep the rainwater out. He's pretty firm on that price, and he thinks it's damn well fair. It's definitely not a fair price, and I tell you another thing that isn't fair. The fact that the creator gave you a brain that full of mush that you think that this damn thing is worth $2,000 damn dollars. Please, for the love of God, get off of Delusional Street at the damn next exit, because you're not getting $2,000 damn dollars out of this thing without a damn title, even if it was in good shape. Next, got a 1993 Ford for $1,200. He said, it doesn't run. It would make a good deer blind. What are you going to do, man? Cut that son of a bitch up and reassemble it in the damn woods? I can just see a couple of hillbillies trying to drag this son of a bitch in the woods talking about, what are you doing there, Fred? Well, Billy Bob, I'm making me a deer blind. Next, got 1996 International for $18,000. Now, what in the redneck engineering hell is happening here now? What the hell do you even call this damn thing? Semi-truck, truck bed, camper, service truck bed, smart car hauler, thingamabob, thingamajig. This is just absolutely hillbilly at its best. With a damn case of Natty Light and maybe even some methamphetamines or something to keep them awake at night while they were coming up with a sketch for this goddamn thing. Where in the hell in the brain does this shit come from? I am very confused of where people's brains go when they start building things. How in the hell do these people come up with this kind of stuff? You know, I'm cool with thinking outside the box, but man, what in the absolute F are you thinking with this one here? If you're enjoying today's video, make sure you smash that like button and even consider subscribing if you haven't already. Next, got 1963 Ford for $9,500. $9,500. Look, dude, you need to really share what the hell you've been smoking on when you built this thing here with that crazy-ass paint job piece of dope. You need to share some of that devil's lettuce or whatever the hell you're on with the rest of us, because we can kind of get where you're at in your brain. The rest of us, our brains are not there with yours right now, dude. And Flower Power it's left a long time ago, dude. $9,500 for what you got going on in this one here? Absolutely not there, ding dong. Next got a 1982 Chevrolet for $2,500. For the love of God, $2,500. Then the fact that he won't even show us the inside of this damn thing? No, you know it smells like garlic butt and onion. Next got a 1985 Fleetwood for $1,700. He said he was told the motor and transmission was serviced recently. What? Back in 1990 when you parked that SOB? $1,700? You can just look at the side of the back there. Look, top corner, man, there is some doo-doo up there because that's all that black mold trying to escape because they don't want to die from the other things that are festering inside this SOB. Absolutely not. And like I said, if you're going to try to sell something, at least run a damn broom, wipe something down, clean it up, take some of your shit out of there first. And judging from the roof on this damn thing, the mice and roaches, man, they're in there water skiing and shit. Next got 1972 Ford for $22,000. Oh, now what in the broke carnival worker dream home is this? I don't even know what to say about this one here, honestly. I mean, it's kind of cool, retro looking, and it's mildly interesting. I can see why the carnival workers could kind of get onto that, because it's easy to tilt back and dump all the shit out of the back of it, so they gotta remember to take out the trash. But $22,000 for a self-dumping home, I just don't know if I see $22,000. Next got a 1998 Bluebird camper conversion for $22,500. Now this one here is definitely a what the F, but it's not a what the F in a total bad way. This is actually kind of cool, and I guess if, you had access to a bus and you wanted to make you a little bit of a camper and a little bit of a hauler, take a mud crawler somewhere, this is actually kind of cool. But then again, like I've said in previous videos, I think we've been doing too many what the F's, and I think it's starting to hurt my brain because I'm starting to like some of the garbage that we've been finding here lately. So, once again, I need to wait for my HMO to kick in so I can go see the doctor to see if they need to put me back in a padded room, because I don't necessarily hate this one here. The interior is not too terrible. I think it needs to be redone on the inside a little bit for my liking. Get rid of the Walmart air conditioner and actually get a good air conditioner and put in there like a mini split or something. Hell, you went that far. Why not use a damn mini split? Well, anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. If you liked today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next one.